Meaning of cystitis. Cystitis. Cystitis.
Cystitis. Cystitis. Cystitis is a medical condition characterized by inflammation of the bladder. It is commonly caused by bacterial infection and can result in symptoms such as painful urination, frequent urination, and lower abdominal pain. The condition is more common in women than in men, and may be associated with poor hygiene, sexual activity, or certain medical conditions. Treatment typically involves antibiotics and pain relievers, and may also involve lifestyle changes and home remedies to relieve symptoms. If left untreated, cystitis can lead to complications such as kidney infections and urinary tract damage, so it is important to seek prompt medical attention if you suspect you may have the condition.